welcome to our video. So today I will show you top 5 video effects that you can use in your videos today. So basically, first off, we need to go to File and Import, and I will import my video. So there's our 5 effects, so 5 videos. Open up, and we're going to import it right here. And basically, right now we need to just find it. So we're going to find it with right here. We're going to stretch that out. Okay, so first thing, we're going to drag and drop here first video, which is going to be this video here. So basically what you're gonna do is go to the effects rack here and type in echo and just drag and drop echo onto the timeline. Right now what you need to play out, you need to play out with a number of echoes. So you need to play like with 1 or 2 echoes. You can do it even more if you want. I mean, I can actually go with 3, and then decay 0.60, 0.50 is going to be pretty good. And as you can see, this is the effect. You can also play around with this if you want, but this is going to be lighter. So 0.60 or 0.50 is actually quite good. So yeah, basically lighten up and like a little bit. You can see the effect when you apply it. So yeah, this is the first effect. Okay, so on to the second effect. We're going to, again in the project, and we're going to drag and drop the video and keep existing settings. And of course, this is, as you can see, we're going to delete this track just because we don't need it. And right now we have a train passing by, and what we can actually do on this is we can replicate. Go to replicate. Actually, I'm in the wrong. Yeah, go to Effects tab and replicate. And right now you need to drag and drop this onto this, and this will give you this kind of effect, which is pretty amazing effect. What you can do, you can also replicate by creating 4-point polygon mask or rectangle, and yeah, you can do it like that. So basically you can also play around with it, but this is like pretty cool effect. I like to do it without the mask just because it looks really cool. And yeah, so basically let's go on to the another. So yeah, we need to go to guitar like that. Again, we don't need this track, delete track. So here's a man playing guitar, and what you need, what you can do with it is go to effects, go to black and white. And this is kind of type effect that we can use in his own videos. You can also go and type in noise into effects tab, and yeah, go to noise and drag and drop it. And amount of noise I will set to 15. You can set it to 20. I mean 24 is also good. And as you can see, it's like that vintage look. I really love this look. And yeah, so basically this is how you can make this kind of effect. Again, this is third effect. So we're going to this video, we're going to keep the existing settings, and yeah, we don't actually, I mean, we don't need to, we need to click. If you have this problem here, you need to click and go to yeah, let me just find it. So scale to frame size, yeah. And right now you have this, which you can use. So on this video, it's pretty much if you can use strobe effect. So strobe effect is a flickering effect which you can use. Go to strobe and effects rack and strobe light and just drag it here. And right now what you need to do is go to strobe light probability, which is going to be like 20. You can also size this up to 0.70 or something like that, and you can play the video as you can see. And yeah, basically this is the strobe light. It looks really awesome in this video. And yeah, so basically this is how you can do strobe lights. And the second effect that we're going to use is on this here clip, as you can see. Okay, go to the effects again, type in lens distortion, and right now you need to scroll down because there are a lot of presets, and drop this down on that, and now you can also go to, let me just see, curvature, and you can increase that by like 20. And basically what this will do is like this kind of look. You can also, I mean, you can also play around with it, you know. You can also, yeah, you can play around with it, but yeah, basically this will do like that kind of effect. You can use this in not really many videos of your, like if you do some kind of cinematic, you can use it, but it's pretty much, you know, amazing. And what you can do is drag this here, video like that, and you can drag this, I think it's like that, no, it's actually 0. You can drag this by 30, minus 30 actually, and you can drag this by like, you can basically play around with it and figure out what you can do with it. I mean, this is also amazing, and you can also do with keyframes and also this is how it looks like. I mean, you can do basically anything what you want with it. Again, we're going to reset this everything here. So basically you can also do with 5 is also pretty cool, but yeah. So basically if you do curvature, you can also increase this like that, or increase like that, yeah, like that. You can also do this kind of effect with it. So basically, as you can see, this is pretty cool effect. So you can do that by just clicking on here curvature, and you can do that by sizing it down however you want it. So you can do it like that, or you can just do it like that. So yeah, and you can do 20 curvature, and again you can size it down. Actually, you can just size it down, so yeah, it doesn't matter. So this is how you can do these effects. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more of this, I can give you more of this, but be sure to subscribe to my channel for more news and tutorials. There will be a lot more new tutorials coming on the way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.